Alright, we're going to try to load this up. We'll go get onto the stand. The video stopped because it just couldn't handle it. But this is officially unboxing an fa20 from the factory. Just think we almost did not get this. It almost ended up a different scenario. Seems to be packaged pretty decently. Oh, you want me to pick it up like this? Okay. Oh, this is a decent container to ship an engine in. Portable. Shall we arrive to the day of doing such a thing? It'll make for a good stand. Definitely the back of it. We're breaking this seal. That looks so nice. Unbelievable how nice that looks. Now, whether or not these are the bolts for it, no, of course not. But the belt and all second container will definitely contain them. I wonder if should I pull that? to get it on the stand. Okay, make sure the stand is in frame. Some needle nose will work. Save that for later. Okay, bring it. 1, 2, and 3 line up perfect. Because we were just dealing with the other engine. Let's get some better lighting here. This engine deserves that at least. The lights. Camera. Action. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will make a world of difference, because I was thinking I'm going to have to hold it up there whenever I try to screw it. These are all just so fresh, so clean. Get a little bit of lubrication on them. Okay, before we do that, we're going to actually grab the nail to make sure we're good. Paint damage or in any way, look up a fresh plot. I mean, who would want to do that? I hate the fact that I'm tearing this paper, but it's not that big of a deal. Okay, now we need our 12. It's nice and toasty today. Just to seat them. Get that lubrication in there. too. That seems safe. Okay. Since we got these handles here, it makes it so convenient. Two or two knot. Pull this rubber off. Looks good there. And you know what? This camera actually clears flipping the display. I can just wrap it back up, so that's gonna be the plan. Ooh. Look at that, it just comes right off. Corrosion inhibited. Let me just snip that right there. I'm thinking about putting this paper up on the wall. Okay, here we go. This is a fa20 short block. Directly from the factory. You have your rear main seal on here. You've got the plate. You've got plugs. This you do not have. Which I'll have to check into that. Huh. That is interesting. These are not the same rods as what was originally on it. But since nothing's being touched right now, just wrap it back up. Until I find the time to actually deal with this. Have the guides for the head. I don't think humidity is going to get to the point where any of this is an issue, but there it is.